So this is the foot menu we'll be creating directly in Canva. So make sure you watch all the video so you don't miss any important step. Let's start. So in creating our menu, we'll just go now to custom size. You can decide to use any size you want. Me, I just want to do it like this. Then after that, you just click now on create design. Then from here now, I will just want to change the background color. You click on it, you come to background color. Change the background color nicely like that. Then you go now to here where it says element, and you come to shapes. Then you take now on this shape here, you add it like that. Then after adding now like that, you increase the size nicely. Then you position it. You see that red line that comes in the middle, it shows that it is in the middle. We'll allow it just there like that. Then you duplicate it now 4 times. You arrange it as I'm arranging like this. When you see the red line, you know that you're in the middle. Now when you're arranging, you see how it is giving me that 0.7 dimension. That means from here to here is 0.7 and from here to here is 0.7. You see it? So you make this one also to be like that. So you can see all of them now are 0.7. It means they are all equal now in the gaps, and they are in the center. So you align like that. Then now you come again to this element section and you search for blob. There are many blobs here that you can use, as you can see. Then you add your blob now like that, and then you try to arrange it. You increase the size. What I'm just doing now is it's going to help in the branding. I want to just make a place another that I'm going to add the logo. You change the color, you duplicate it, you right click, you come to show layer. So this is the one in the back. So you want to change the color like that, and then you bring it out a little bit like that. This is going to help in the branding. I will explain it a little. I will explain it later. So you position it like that. Again, if you are going and it is clipping where you don't want it to clip, you just hold the control key on your keyboard and you can position it anywhere you want. Like that. It's okay. You can make it something brighter. It's okay like that. Now you come here again in the element section and you search for frames. So these are 2 frames. When you search, you see this one that does not have an outline, and you see this one that has an outline that I can change the color. I can change the color of the outline. No, not that. Actually, the color. You see, I can change the color of the outline to anything that I want. This is going to help again in the branding. I will show you how that is important. You see, you can change it like that. So don't use this one. Yes, use this one. Or alternatively, another quick tip for you, if you don't want to be lazy like me, that I just want to use this one that already has an outline. If you still want to use this one and you want to customize it yourself, it is still possible. So you click on it, you come here where you see this stroke style, you click on it and you can select any stroke style you want, and then you can increase it like that. You see, you can increase it like that and it's still the same. You can go now and you change the color. No, not that, the stroke actually. Sorry. Yeah, you see, you can change the color like that, and you can change the outline color like that. So if you want to have more upper hand, you can do it that way. But me, I was lazy. I just used the easy way. So you just go ahead now, you position it nicely like that. You duplicate it. So we have something like that. Now we'll go now and we'll change this color of this outline. Like I said, it is good for the branding. I want the outline to have the same color as here. So you click on it, you come to where it says add new color, and then you pick this color wheel, and then you touch on it, then it's going to have the same color. Then you add it now in the rest of them as I've just done. Then we'll add in some text now. Just click the T on your keyboard, bring up the text, so you position it nicely now like that. Then now I want the text to be a little bit curved. So to achieve that, you click on the text, you come to effect, you scroll down, you come to this curve. I don't want it to be too curved like that. You scroll down, you reduce it somewhere like that is okay. Here now we're going to add in our logo. So now adding our logo now nicely like that. You see the branding now is coming out gradually. So we'll go in now and we'll bring in our foot images. So when you bring in an image, all you have to do is just hold on it and you push it to the frame. It's going to be in the frame as you have seen like that. You just bring your image, you put it inside the frame, bring your image, put it inside the frame. So that is it. I will change this font. You click on it. I'll use this font and I'll increase the spacing. You see that a little bit tight. I'll increase the spacing. You come here to spacing, increase it a little. Then you go in now and you add your text like that. You add the pixel and you add the other text. Then I'll just go in now and add the other text. Then I'll be back. So when we are done adding everything now like that, we are just going now to put our pricing. So you come to the element section and you search for yellow paint brush stroke. This is what I'm using. You click to add it. You reduce the size nicely and position it. We change the color to the branding color that we have been using since. Then we'll put the price. So you are going to add in your price nicely like that, and then you position it well. If you need, you can zoom in so you see what you are doing. So you go in now, you add your prices like that. You see how the branding has already changed. How cool is that? So we'll spice it up again a little bit. You come to elements, you search here on golden line. You search on that golden line there, you add it like that, as I've just done now like that. You see it is giving it that premium look, so that is good. You come now to element and you take on any shape that you want. So after adding in the text like that, you come out to this element section and you search on delivery. I want to add an icon there. You come to graphics. I can search, you can add any delivery icon here. Please, if you are enjoying the video so far, please make sure you like, comment and you subscribe. More good videos like this are coming. Very soon I'll tell you how to rebrand this if you want to use different colors. You tap on it and you change the color to white, duplicate the text and you put in your contact information. You come here, you can search on contact. So nicely, that is our menu that we have just created. Make sure you subscribe, you like the video. In the next video I'll be showing you how you link this menu to a QR code. You know, when people come to your restaurant, they want to order. Instead of you giving them this menu physically, you can give them a QR code that they can just scan it and then they'll have this menu. So in the next video I'll be showing you that. So after your menu is done like that, you can just go now to click on share and you download it. So that is the video, guys. Thanks for watching.